It's almost summertime, and I know a lot of you guys want to get in shape. You want to have six-pack. You want to be ripped. You want to be shredded. That way you don't have to wear a t-shirt at the pool or on the beach and have all the children laugh at you. You want to get in amazing shape by summer, and you should. Your summer will be better if you do it. If you're still all fat by summer won't be as fun. You won't have as many mating opportunities, and you won't be as confident as you want to be. I'm going to show you how to use AI to help you get ripped for summer. Here's what we're going to do. Step 1, go to the large language model of your choice, ChatGPT, Gemini, even Claude if you swing that way. And you're going to open up a new chat. You're going to tell ChatGPT your age, gender, activity level, then ask it to calculate your maintenance calories. Matter of fact, let me demonstrate. I like ChatGPT because you can talk to this motherfucker. I am a 42-year-old man and I weigh 205 pounds. I work out in the gym doing weights 5 days a week, and I do at least an hour of cardio per day. Calculate my maintenance calories.
Given your stats and activity level, we can get a good estimate. For a 42-year-old man weighing 205 pounds who lifts weights 5 days a week and does an hour of cardio daily, your maintenance calories are likely around 3,000 to 3,200 calories per day. This is a rough estimate, so you can adjust based on how your weight and energy levels respond.
Then step 2, you're going to tell her, you can put this same prompt in, make me a 7-day diet plan that has me consuming 1,000 calories less than my maintenance calories, but also consuming 205 grams of protein per day. The reason we're using this prompt, to lose fat, you have to burn more calories than you consume. If you are in a 1,000 calorie deficit every day, you will lose 2 pounds of fat per week. Every pound of fat you want to lose, you have to burn 3,500 calories. If you are in a 500 calorie deficit for 7 days a week, you'll burn 1 pound of fat. That's 3,500. If you're in the 1,000 calorie deficit, you'll burn 2 pounds of fat per week. It's totally safe. Sometimes people flip out when they say 1,000 calorie deficit. Yo, man, that's 2 pounds of fat per week. That's fucking normal. That's regular shit. Stop being a all right. If somebody says 1,000 calorie deficit is too much in the comments, shame him mercilessly because he's a bitch. He gonna stay fat. Make me a 7-day diet plan that has me consuming 1,000 calories less than my maintenance calories, but also consuming 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So you could just, whatever your body weight is, make it fucking grams protein per day. The reason we're doing 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, there's a very specific reason we're doing that, because there's a lot of studies and a lot of fucking fitness YouTubers. They're going to say, listen, you only need 0.7 or 0.8 grams. Right? That's what the studies say. And the studies are correct. But you got to remember, the studies are done in laboratory conditions. You don't live in a laboratory condition, bro. You live in the real fucking world. And in the real fucking world, the FDA allows food labels to be off by 20% legally. So if you get something that says 10 grams of protein, it might be fucking 8. It might be 12. You don't know. It's a range. So to make up that potential 20% loss that you might have in protein, we're just going to do 1 gram. That way, if the labels are 20% lower than we think, we're covered. And if you get more protein than that, it's fine. Nobody talks about this. You got to come to the big dog for the real advice. Anyway, let's put in the prompt. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Boom. All right. Hey, it's not bad. Bitch got me eating egg whites and shit. My ChatGPT is a girl. Bitch got me eating egg whites and shit. Cool. This is the diet plan. And here's the thing. This is all you really need to do. However, I'm going to add another prompt to it. I do the ketogenic diet. You don't have to do keto. I've been keto for 8 years. I love it. But calories and protein are most important. I don't care what you do with the fats and carbs. Make it keto. Boom. There we go. Now this bitch gave me the whole eggs. I'm not trying to eat egg whites. I ain't playing with my food. Eat this shit. Turkey sauce, that's a good fucking breakfast. I'm with the shit. Grilled chicken, it's fine. Boom. Got the salmon, zucchini. All right, step 3. Get this shit to your girlfriend and wife and say, here's your fucking directions, ho. If you don't got a girlfriend or a wife, you know what I'm saying? Hey, that's why your fat ass is fucking watching this video, man. You're going to do this shit your own. Get in shape, get you a girlfriend or wife, man. You got your fucking custom meal plan for the week. Let's make some alterations, right? I don't like eating chicken. I don't like chicken that much. I know, judging from my skin color, you may have assumed I had a natural predisposition for loving chicken. So that may come to as a surprise to many of you, but I don't fuck with grilled chicken. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT I don't like chicken breasts. So I'll eat chicken wings or legs. I'm still black, but I don't like chicken breast. Chicken breast is for women. I don't like chicken breast. Redo my plan without it. Got it. No chicken breast. Here's a revised version. There we go. It's way better. She gave me steak instead of chicken. It's fucking way better. Salmon with the skin. Yo, day one, this shit is fire. Damn, I get the cheese out. I'm like, yo, man, let's go. Got pork chops. So boom. Listen, this alone will get you in shape. You may be thinking, hey man, I don't have a workout plan yet. No problem. Here's the prompt you use. Write me a workout plan to go along with it. If you want to make it even better, base it on the teachings of famous, handsome YouTuber Brandon Carter. I wouldn't leave out that last part if you want it to be good. Boom. 7-hour workout plan, goals, burn fat. Hey, here we go. They got you doing full body workout. I have some videos on push-pull legs, so I understand why they did that. Not bad. Yeah, I do a lot of hit workouts. That makes sense. That's not bad. You can have Brandon Carter coach you. Now, here's the thing. Now we need to track it. So what you want to do is get yourself some sort of fitness tracker. I use the Oura Ring, but you can use the Whoop. You can use Apple Watch, Fitbit, Samsung Watch, if that's your thing. Something that fitness tracker that tracks your calories, the calories you burn every day. And then track your macros. Like when you're going through this meal plan, put it in MyFitnessPal. Some people are so against tracking your macros. I get a lot of pushback. Man, I don't want to track my calories. I'm like, yo, you sound like a fucking bitch, man. It's just put numbers in a phone. Stop being a bitch. That ain't fucking hard. It's too hard. Hard compared to what, man? Every day I see motherfuckers cleaning the windows when I look out in these condos in Miami, hanging from the fucking side of the building, cleaning the windows like a Latino Spider-Man, right? That's hard. I'm just telling you to put fucking numbers in the phone so you can stop being a fat boy. Anyway, I track the calories you burn every day and track the calories you consume every day. Now, here's what I want you to do. I have a free Notion template where you can actually start tracking this shit, right? Because again, losing fat is just math. So we track the calories we consume every day. Let's say we follow our diet every day, 2,100. Let's say you set the goal to burn 3,100 every day. And again, you will be actually tracking this with your fitness tracker. Boom. That'll put you in 1,000 calorie deficit. Remember, burning fat is just math. It doesn't matter if you're keto, fucking vegan. If you want to do it, that other shit, fine. What's important is burning more calories than you consume. Now, I have a tracker where you can actually start tracking this every day. It's called the Victory Revision Planner. You can track your calories consumed and burned. And I have this formula that adds it up for you. You can track your protein in it. And you can set up other habit tracking stuff that you want to track. I use it every day. It's more complex to what I just showed you on the screen. Go ahead and download that now. It's 100% free. And I feel like you got the game plan to get in shape by summer. You know what I'm saying? Using AI. Let's get it.